If you tell people you're going to live in a tiny house, they're like, oh my God, are you really going to do that with 2 children? And people still tell me today, like, is that healthy for the children? Can they really live in such a small area and so on? And it really bothers me that people often give me this advice, because it's not advice, it's something that I want to give this lifestyle to my children, because there's more to life than just work for a big house. Because what do you do at your big house? You can't live in it because you have to work the whole time.
Today I'm in Belgium and visiting Crete, and she's gonna give us a tour of her tiny house that she have been living already for more than a year. Let's have a look.
This is my tiny house. I've been living in it since 1 year. It's 9 meters long, 3 meters wide and 4 meters high. When I bought the tiny house, there were 2 bedrooms inside, but I was thinking that I have to give my children more space to play. So we redesigned, and I made this for the children. They have their own desk and their own clothes and their own space to play. I sleep here.
How big is the bed?
1 meters and 30 centimeters.
Wide and
Yeah.
2 meters long.
Yeah.
The heating source is this split unit.
Yeah, because I have children, I didn't want to put anything with fire, because it is dangerous. So I have an air conditioning that also heats. Works perfect.
And it's very spacious, like
It
this,
is,
because
yeah.
usually tiny houses are
It is.
250 wide,
Yeah.
and extra 50 centimeters
Yeah, it is.
brings a lot.
Yeah.
Do you know it's 3 meters outside or inside?
I think inside.
Inside 3
Yeah,
meters.
yeah.
Yeah.
So I participated in a TV show in Belgium. It's called Tiny House Battle, and there were 2 teams, and they had to build a tiny house in 9 days. And after these 9 days, we could choose between those 2 tiny houses which one we prefer, and it was this one.
Do you mind to share the cost? How much did it
No,
cost?
it was 25,000. It was on Belgian television, so everyone knows it's 25,000.
Which is very good price.
It is
for
a
so
very good
stuff.
price, it is. But it is built in 9 days, so of course, sometimes you notice there are a few mistakes that were made, but I don't mind at all.
But that's
I think it's perfect.
incredibly fast. And how many people build it?
4.
4 people.
Yeah.
9 days.
Yeah. And they all had their own specialty. For example, there was this woodworker and an electrician and an architect as well. So they combined their forces and they had this
Good.
amazing result.
Good
in only
teamwork.
9 days. Yeah.
And the stairs are as
Yeah.
like storage as well.
Yes, the stairs is storage. So there's a lot of stuff in this part. Every box has their own space. This one is a bit more difficult to open, but I just put stuff in there that I don't often need, so that I don't have to open it that much. This is where I first slept, but then I changed it, and now the children sleep here, because there's more space here, and then they have their own mattress, so they have some more space in between. I have an oven and a dishwasher and so on. Yeah.
Washing machine?
No,
Okay.
I don't have a washing machine. I wash at the owner's
Landlord.
place. Yeah,
Yeah.
she's so nice. She just allows me to do that. Otherwise, I would go to a
Laundromat.
yeah. But I can do it over there, so it's perfect. Cabinets, very convenient. Just everything I need.
And I love how big windows are here. It
Yeah,
brings
a
so
lot
much
of light,
light
right?
inside.
Yeah, indeed. And I even have a bath.
Full
I
size?
thought that would be impossible. No, not full size. So it was homemade by the people who built the tiny house. So he made it himself. It's really nice, so I can take a shower or I can take a bath.
doors are like flip doors, like two doors closing and open.
For the bathroom?
Yeah.
Yeah, it can close, but you don't have a lot of privacy. But that's okay. I don't need it. And then we have plenty of storage room inside. Yeah, in a tiny house you have to be organized, otherwise it will be a mess real soon. A fridge.
And there is just more pantry at the bottom.
Yeah, just cleaning stuff and so on.
That is the main entrance?
Yeah, main entrance. Yeah, it's the normal way of coming in because I have my shoes and so on here. But yeah, it's not that cozy. And the toilet is here, so that's why I don't really like people to come inside through this side. But you can close it.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave thumbs up. Social media from Rit I will leave in description below, and see you the next one. Cheers!
And the gas I use for cooking. So my garden is still a work in progress. It's my first year that I've been doing it, and I enjoy the process. The outcome is not that big yet. That's something for next year. A lot of zucchini and strawberries.